In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up PayPal two-step verification. If you want to add an extra layer of protection to your PayPal account, turning on two-step verification is a smart and simple step. This helps make your account more secure by requiring a second form of verification when you sign in, not just your password. That means even if someone somehow gets access to your password, they would still need your second verification method to get into the account. To get started, sign into your PayPal account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon which opens your account settings. Go ahead and click that icon. This is where PayPal keeps your main account preferences, including important privacy and security options. Once you're in settings, find and open the security section. This is the area where you can manage features related to protecting your account. So, if you're ever updating login settings or reviewing security tools, this is the place to go. Inside the security section, look for the option labeled two-step verification and select it. This is where PayPal allows you to choose how you want to confirm your identity when logging in. At this point, you'll be given a choice between using an Authenticator app or using a security key device. An Authenticator app is usually the easier option for most people, since it works through an app on your phone that generates secure login codes. A security key device is a physical device you use for sign-in, and it can be a great choice if you prefer hardware-based security. Choose the option that works best for you, then follow the prompts to enable it. PayPal will guide you through the setup process depending on the method you selected, so just complete the on-screen instructions carefully. It usually only takes a moment, and once it's done, your account will have that added protection in place. And that's it. Your PayPal two-step verification is set up. As a quick tip, make sure you use a verification method you'll be able to access consistently, especially when signing in from a new device. It's also a good idea to double-check that everything is working before you finish so you know your account is protected and your login process is smooth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.